Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to unlock one of the most powerful reading skills you'll ever need, context clues. By the end of this video, you'll be a context clue detective. But what are context clues? Context clues are hints found in a sentence or paragraph that help you figure out the meaning of an unfamiliar word. Instead of reaching for a dictionary every time, you use the words around the difficult word to understand it. Example: the arboretum, a garden devoted to trees, was beautiful in the spring. In this sentence, you might not know what arboretum means. But look closely. A garden devoted to trees gives us the meaning. That's a definition clue, and it's just one type. Let's break down the 5 major types of context clues with examples. You might want to grab a notebook. 1. Definition or restatement clue. The meaning of the word is directly stated in the sentence. Example: the company was known for its philanthropy or generosity toward others. Here, philanthropy is defined right after the word, using or. Easy, right? 2. Synonym clue. A synonym or similar word gives you the meaning. Example: the child was elated or extremely happy after winning the spelling bee. Elated means extremely happy. The synonym is your clue. 3. Antonym or contrast clue. Sometimes, the sentence uses words like but, however, or instead to show contrast. Example: unlike his gregarious sister, who loved parties, Tim was quite reserved. Gregarious is contrasted with reserved. So what does it mean? Someone who's social and outgoing. 4. Example clue. Examples in the sentence help explain the word. Example: celestial bodies, such as the sun, moon, and stars, have fascinated humans for centuries. From the examples, we know celestial bodies are objects in space. 5. Inference clue. Sometimes, there's no clear definition or synonym. You have to infer, or figure out, the meaning from the whole sentence. Example: despite his fatigue, the marathon runner pushed on through the final mile, his legs heavy and body aching. We can guess that fatigue means extreme tiredness, based on the description of aching legs and pushing through. Okay, let's put your skills to the test. I'll read a sentence, and you try to figure out the meaning of the bolded word. Question 1. The girl was meticulous, paying close attention to every detail in her painting. What does meticulous mean? Meticulous means careful or precise. Question 2. He felt melancholy, unlike his usual cheerful self. What does melancholy mean? Melancholy means sad or gloomy. Question 3. The desert is an arid place, with little rainfall and dry conditions. What does arid mean? Arid means very dry. Let's review what we learned today. Context clues help us figure out word meanings without a dictionary. The 5 main types are: 1. Definition. 2. Synonym. 3. Antonym/contrast. 4. Example. 5. Inference. Pay attention to signal words like or, such as unlike, and descriptions. So next time you see a tricky word, don't panic. Scan the sentence. Use your clues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. And let us know in the comments, what's one new word you figured out using context clues?